So if you want to set your own Google Photos or your own photos inside Google Photos as the screensaver of your Sony Smart TV, all you have to do is press the back button. That takes you to the screensaver. And now if you just hit the scroll down button, this one right here, that opens up this menu to go into the screensaver settings. But of course, you can just come here and select Google Photos, and that's going to open up Google Photos on your account. So put in your account PIN. Once you enter your PIN, it's going to open up all the albums inside your Google Photos. And you need to have gone to Google Photos on your phone prior to this and set up your album. So you can just go to Google Photos. This is Google Photos. You want to come to Collections on your phone and then go to Albums. You can just tap on this icon and then tap on Album to create an album. And then create your album, give it a name, and then go to select photos and add the photos you want in that album. Okay. Now, once you do that, you should see all your albums on your Smart TV. So I'm going to come here and select this album, for instance, which I've already named Google TV because that's what I intended to do with when I created it. So now I can just come here and click confirm. Now that I've confirmed that, now you can see my Google Photos from that specific album are the ones that are now my screensaver for my Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.